Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we're going to do an unbagging or unboxing from Fgnormal. They sent me 3 beautiful paintings for me to show them to you. So let's look at the first one. The first one is a gorgeous doll. Okay, this light is, there's always a glare. I'm sorry about the glare, guys. Okay, so this one is 30 by 40 centimeters. It's got 20 colors, and let's measure it very quickly. Okay, so let's see. The drill field is 25 centimeters by 35. Okay, it's absolutely adorable. Look at this. So it's got, look at her hair first of all. Look at how cute it is. It just sticks out. I love it. And then she's wearing like a what do you call this kind of hat? It's like a beret. It's red. And then I have no idea what she's holding in her hand. Let's see. I have no idea. But maybe it's a stuffed animal or a blankie. No, it has to be a little stuffed animal. Anyway, she's got another stuffed animal here. And you have to love her socks and of course her red boots. There goes the moon, and I love all the green color in the background. Just adorable. All right, let me bring her up so you can see her. Look how clear that is. And her little dress. And there goes her little stuffed doll and her red boots. Just adorable, guys. Okay. Super sticky. This one is $6.16, okay? It comes with, of course, a tray, a pen, and some wax. So let's put her over here. And these are her colors, her drills. And like we said, it has 20 colors. So I'm actually collecting the Gorjuss dolls. Sorry about the noise. All right, and they are in order, which I love. So here you have a 310. This is like an orange. Actually, I'm just going to turn it this way. So red. Actually, I thought it was like, it's like a red orange. I guess it's probably for that, for her hat, her beret, and probably for her boots, maybe. Then you have this really pretty, like a dark red. Green, that's probably for the background. You have a brown color there, probably for her hair. Darker browns. Some peachy colors, pink. Some greens. It has lots of greens and lots of browns. And then a little bit of white here. Okay. These are perfect. I love the size. So if you're going away for Christmas, and you can travel with this one. It's easy to travel with. Not too many colors, only 20 colors. Or it could actually be a Christmas gift. Look how cute it is. All right, just adorable. So let's move this over here. And let's move her over here. All right, let's do the next one. Now the next one is actually, they had all the zodiac signs, and I picked this one because it's a Pisces. As you can see, it's got the fish, and my daughter's a Pisces. So anyway, so this one's also a 30 by 40, and it's also a gorgeous doll, but she's got a very adorable swimming suit. It looks like she's swimming, and it's right there. It says Pisces. All right, just adorable. Look how long her hair is. This one also has 20 colors. It's a 30 by 40, and it's also $6.16. Super clear. Okay. Look at her hair. Love her swimsuit. And it looks like there's some, like, I don't know if that's supposed to be, yeah, it looks like lace tangled on her foot. Okay, so let's measure this very quickly. This one is 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters. Okay, it also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. They all do. Okay, and these are the colors. So very quickly, let's look at the colors. Also in order, the numbers, which I love. Ooh, it's got sage. All right, so you got a pink. This is like a purplish. I don't know if you can see that, but it's purple. Actually, let's turn the light over here now so you can see the colors better. And you have some gray, purple or violet. That's black, gray, blue, and lots of gray. Of course, because you look at the background, it has lots of gray. And then you have, of course, greens. And of course, if you look, it has lots of greens. Blues. This is probably for her face and her legs and her arms, maybe. Okay. Beautiful. So this one's also $6.16. And this would also be a perfect for a Christmas present. All right. And actually, I forgot to mention, right now I believe they have a sale, which is buy 4 and you get 1 for free. All right, so this is the last one. This one is perfect for now. It's wintry and it's very Christmassy. And of course, look how adorable it is. It's a cute teddy bear. And this was actually called Dancing Teddy Bear. So he's very happy. And it says, for a special friend. Perfect for a gift. Let me bring. It's also 30 by 40. And it's got 22 colors. All right, and this one's also $6.16. They are all $6.16. 25. It looks like they're all 25 centimeters by 35. Let me bring up the dancing teddy bear. Oh my gosh, look how cute. And it's very, very clear, guys. He's got, look at his beautiful scarf. And then you've got snow. He's definitely dancing, guys. Very, very happy teddy bear. All right. So it comes also with tray, wax, and a pen. And these are the colors, the drills. Sorry about the noise. Okay. And these are also in color. I mean, in order, in color, of course. Duh. Oh my gosh. All right. So if you look at the painting, you're gonna see lots of blues, grays, and lots of red. Okay. So that looks like a red. This looks like a pink. Some gray, more reds, lots of grays because the teddy bear. Then you have a little bit of green. That must be for the leaves. Then you have red. Then you have this pretty blue. I wonder if that's for his nose. More reds, blues, green. This is like an orange color. Blue, peachy, like a peachy color. Okay. So, oh, we almost forgot these two. So it's like this looks probably for the snow. I don't know. It's like an off-white and the blue. All right, guys. So that's about it. Beautiful paintings. They're all $6.16. They are all 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters, and they don't have a lot of drills, which is perfect as Christmas gifts or if you travel. So this one is called Dancing Teddy Bear. This one's Gorjuss Doll, but it's Pisces. And maybe I'll get the other zodiac signs. Why not, right? And this one is just Gorjuss Doll. Okay. So I hope you like them, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Thank you.